We all use apps that require location permissions, whether you're tagging trending spots on social media or playing AR games. If you're looking for a way to spoof your phone's GPS easily on both iOS and Android without a computer, is your solution. After comparing multiple tools, iMoveGo stands out. It supports both iPhone and Android, works without a computer, and doesn't require jailbreaking or rooting, so you can get started right away. I'll demo it on Android here, but it also works the same way on iOS. Currently, I'm located in Washington, D.C. Now turn on iMoveGo, click directly on the map, or search for your target city. Tap Move, and my location changes immediately. Open Google Maps to verify and see that the GPS has instantly moved to Paris. You can now tag relevant locations on Instagram or other apps. iMoveGo isn't just about teleporting. It can help you simulate movement in various states. In navigation mode, selecting a destination, it automatically creates a realistic route based on the travel mode you choose. You can also adjust the speed at any time during the move. A floating window lets you pause or resume movement at will. In joystick mode, when you turn it on, this virtual joystick floats over other apps. Use it to move in any direction dynamically. Many Pokemon Go and Monster Hunter Now players love this feature, which is very intuitive and convenient to control the character's walk directly in the game. iMoveGo includes advanced modes, such as multi-point mode, jump teleportation mode, etc. Give iMoveGo a try via the link below this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.